Okay, now we are going to change the point features color. For that, we have loaded the fresh QGIS app here. So this is the canvas is still empty. Then we need to load the point feature here, and I will use my data here with GeoPackage. I also have shapefile here, but for this occasion, I will use the data from GeoPackage. Okay, just drag it to the canvas here. Okay, there are two ways to change the color of the points feature. First, we can right click here and click properties there, and we can double click. Okay, so this this practice, I mean properties and double click here, both of them is opening the same layer properties, so both of them is the first way from two ways. Okay, so the first way is from layer properties. We click symbology and we click the simple marker here. Okay, we change to maybe black like this. Okay, and we click apply. When we click apply, this fill color will affect the color data in the canvas without closing the layer properties dialog entirely. Yeah, something like that. So it's kind of what print preview. And the stripe color, we can use maybe yellow. Okay, something like that. That if we're okay, and if we are happy with the result, we can click OK to close the dialog. Okay, that's the first way. This is the second way, is we can use the open the layer styling panel here. And we click here a simple marker, and look, when we click and drag here around this, okay, the color is automatically tinged because we check the live update. If we uncheck the live update, the fill color, and we click the red one, it doesn't change here. We must click apply first. Okay, so it's up to you if you want to click live update or not, but I prefer you check this. Okay, and we'll change again to yellow, the fill color, and the stroke color is red, maybe, yeah, something like that, so we don't have to click apply anymore. So that's how we change the points features color. Thank you.